Saint Laurent makes the best luxury designer handbags for your money. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly why the next handbag you purchase should be a Saint Laurent bag. Hello and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Ashley Demore and I put out videos on fashion, beauty, and luxury on Tuesdays and Fridays. So if that sounds interesting to you, please go ahead and click subscribe and turn on the bell and you'll be notified whenever I put out new videos. In today's video, we're going to be discussing one of my favorite luxury handbag designers, and that's Saint Laurent. I think Saint Laurent bags are some of the best luxury handbags you can get for your money. And in this video, I'm going to give you 8 reasons why. Number 1, the materials. I have 3 different leather Saint Laurent bags, and all 3 of them have different textures for leather, and all 3 of them are extremely durable. So the first leather bag that I have is the large envelope bag, and this leather has a kind of pebbled leather and it's super durable. So I've scratched this bag with my nails before. My dog has jumped up and scratched this bag with his nails before, and I haven't had any issues. You can't see any scratches, and this bag still looks just as new as when I brought her home with me. I also have this camera bag, which has this embossed leather, and the leather's kind of smooth, but this bag is heavy in rotation for me because of the size and how I can just fit my essentials and go, and it's so easy. I don't have any scratches or anything like that, and let me just tell you, I don't baby this bag. And the one thing that it does tend to have is some creases, but usually I can just get away with stuffing this bag overnight and the creases come right out. The third leather bag I have from Saint Laurent is the Lulu bag, and this is definitely the smoothest and the softest of all of the leather bags that I have from Saint Laurent, but this bag is still incredibly durable. I don't have to baby this bag. It has no visible scratches or anything, and I'm a little bit clumsy. I walk into things and regularly scratch things, and it still looks great. So I'm really impressed with the quality and durability of the leather. I also have this velvet toy Lulu, and the fabric on this bag is just so vibrant. The color is so rich and saturated, and every time I wear this bag, it's just a great pop of color. I usually wear it in the winter, and it's just a great pop of color to a lot of my winter outfits. Number 2, classic bags with a modern edge to them. So the Saint Laurent bags that I have are all very classic and have a very timeless feel to them, but they're kind of modern. So flat bags, for example, have been around forever, but Saint Laurent has managed to kind of put a modern twist on them. I believe that the Saint Laurent bags that I have now will still be in style 10 years from now because they just have a really classic look and feel to them. Saint Laurent bags are very classy and elegant, and I believe they will truly stand the test of time. Number 3, the bags are very functional and roomy. All of my Saint Laurent bags are deceptively large on the inside. Even the smallest one, this toy Lulu, still fits quite a bit. The bags are also really well thought out, and I'm always just amazed at what I can fit in them and how I move in and out of them with ease. Have you ever bought a luxury bag and you find out it's way smaller inside and you can't actually fit your essentials? That's never happened to me with any of my Saint Laurent bags, and so that's something I really appreciate with these bags. Number 4, the logo. Saint Laurent dropped the Eve from their name in 2012. However, they didn't change the logo, and that really speaks to the longevity of the brand. I think luxury brands have to be really careful when it comes to modifying the logo because that's generally what a lot of these brands are really known for. This particular logo has been around since 1961, and it's absolutely beautiful. And it was beautiful in 1961, and it's beautiful now. And why change something so beautiful that works? Number 5, the quality. All of my Saint Laurent bags are heavy in rotation, so they get a lot of wear, but as you can see, they still look great. I spoke about the leather and the durability of that earlier, but I want to dig a little bit deeper and get into the craftsmanship. From the stitching to the hardware on these bags, everything is just really well done beautifully crafted, and I never have any issues with quality with any of these bags. Number 6, the price compared to comparable bags. Saint Laurent bags are excellent quality, as I've discussed in the earlier points, but they're also at a lower price point compared to a lot of other bags in their class. So let's take a look at the Gucci small Marmont bag. That bag retails for $2,350, whereas a comparable bag to that one is the Saint Laurent small Lulu, and that bag retails for $2,050. I would much rather keep my Saint Laurent Lulu bag in the small size, save the $300, and really enjoy the quality of Saint Laurent and a bag that really fits my personal aesthetic. Number 7, sales through department stores and other websites. Saint Laurent is one of the last luxury brands that you're able to get on sale. I've actually scored the last 2 of my Saint Laurent bags through promotional sales at Saks Fifth Avenue. However, I don't know how long this is going to last. Lately, I've been seeing a lot of the inventory for Saint Laurent bags with the various department stores decreasing, and many styles are only available for pre-order, and if they are available on the website, they're only available for a really short time. Because of this decrease in inventory, I'm predicting that we're not going to see as many sales on these bags as we've seen in the past. I'm not saying it's going to be impossible to find these bags on sale, but it's definitely going to be harder than it previously was. Saint Laurent also has their own sale that happens twice a year, and the spring sale should be coming up pretty soon in May or June. That sale tends to have lots of different items from past seasons, and a lot of people are able to find really good finds there. I'm really excited for that coming up. Number 8, the world is not overly saturated with Saint Laurent bags. I don't know about you, but I like to be a little bit different. So I really like to choose bags that not everyone has. I feel like when I'm going out to the grocery store or going to events or going anywhere, I see lots of Louis Vuitton bags, I see Chanel bags, I see Gucci bags. I hardly ever see Saint Laurent bags. And if I do see someone carrying a Saint Laurent bag, it's not in the exact style that I'm carrying. I really like to be different, and I don't think the market is overly inundated with Saint Laurent bags. So for that reason, I just love carrying Saint Laurent bags. How do you feel about Saint Laurent bags? Please let me know in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. I'd love to see you here. Until the next time, bye!